5, and 6, no? So, let's see, ano yan? So, meron dito, no? Jesus holds your hand. No? So, tignan nyo nga, bottom of the deck din, no? Jesus loves you, no? So, diba, ang galing, no? So, nandito si Jesus na ginaguide ka and tinutulungan kang mag-heal, no? For some of you, cancer. Or, may, again, no, vice versa tayo, no? Pwedeng ikaw or ang person mo tong nababasa natin, right? No? So, yan, nandito si Jesus, no? Hinihil ka, no? Tinutulungan ka ni Jesus mag-heal. So, yeah, no? It's time to let go, no? Sinasabi rito. And then, proof shown, no? So, meron ka na kasi mga ebidensyang nakita rito, no? Mga cancer natin, no? And that's why, no? Nagkaroon kayo, no? For some of you ng spiritual awakening here, no? So, and then, meron pang nabuntis dito, no? Maybe ikaw or ang third party, no? Whoever it is, right? So, kaya may doctor, nurse, no? So, talagang may buntis, no? Kasi may nagpapa-check up dito, no? For some of you, no? Or, literally, no? Pwedeng sabihin natin, person mo, you are dealing with doctor, no? For some of you, or a nurse, no? Ayun yung inyong kadil, no? And then, maybe, syempre, baka sa ospital din sila nagkaroon ng third party kung saan sila nagwo-work, right? No, so just take what's resonate, no, mga cancer natin. So, yan, no, malinaw dito na may third party dito, no, at nalaman mo na rin yan, no. Maybe talagang may buntis dito, no, kasi nga nakita mo na, maybe nakita mo yung proof na maybe for some of you nakita niyo yung pregnancy test, ultrasound, no, something like that, no. So, kumaga parang naging tahimik na lang kayo and then you just yeah, for some of you na you are still in this relationship, nagiging tahimik lang kayo, no? And then for some of you, ay nagkaroon ng spiritual awakening dito, no? So, you are in a healing process, no? Kaya nandito si Jesus din, no? So, tinutulungan niya kayong mag-heal, no? So, hawak niya yung mga kamay niyo right now, no? Mga cancer, no? So, i-feel niyo, no? And you will feel this, maybe for some of you, you will feel warm sa inyong kamay. And then for some of you, malamig, no? So, right now, no? Ikino-comfort kayo ni God, no? Something like that, no? Ni Jesus, particularly, no? Ni Jesus. So, yeah, malinaw dito na talagang it's time to let go, no? Hayaan nyo na lang tong tao na ito, no? For sure, hindi naman to talaga seryoso